Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another IKEA video. In today's video, we're headed to IKEA to pick up all the supplies that we need for a primary bedroom walk-in closet makeover. I just arrived at IKEA and I'm going to head inside and pick up all the supplies that I need for this walk-in closet makeover. Well, that was a bit of a puzzle getting everything in the car, but I did manage to get it all in, as you can see, and the trunk's closed, so that's a good thing. I am now en route to the customer's house to put all of these boxes into their walk-in closet. Next up is assembly. I gotta get all this stuff out of the boxes and put together. So follow along as I turn this walk-in closet from ordinary to extraordinary. Alright, so this is the walk-in closet that we're going to be transforming, and as you can see, it has these lovely builder grade metal shelves which we'll have to remove. So the first item I'm going to start with today is the dresser. I'm going to put that dresser together and place it in the center of the primary bedroom closet. As you can see, with the power of editing, there we have it, the dresser is done. Next up, I removed all of the metal shelving, and then I started to assemble the upper cabinet, which will be used above the dresser. And voila! The center of this walk-in closet is complete. Now that the center of the back closet wall was completed, the next step was to complete the sides of the walk-in closet. And for the sides, I chose to use the IKEA Aurdal closet system. The great part about this closet system is that it is completely modular and it uses a rail mount system. So once you mount the rail to the wall of your closet, you just simply add on to the system using the different modules. And this makes it super easy to plan for any size walk-in closet. So after a few hours of assembly and installation, this primary bedroom walk-in closet is ready for clothes. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, make sure you head down below and hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.